Hi Minecrafters, welcome to this Minecraft command block tutorial video here on the channel, and I got something pretty cool to show you in this video here, and it involves this turtle helmet that I have right here. So normally in Minecraft, when you put a turtle helmet on, it only gives you about 10 seconds of breath underwater by default, and then obviously you have to come back up to the surface to get your breath again. But using this command block system I have done in this world here, we have this, which is a diver's helmet, right? And if we go into the water here, you'll be able to see that we can stay underwater indefinitely. So this is a diver's helmet in Minecraft that basically allows us to basically swim around and not have any care in the world about our oxygen or bubble meter in our world here. As you guys can see here, we can swim around this expanse of water here and just have no worries at all about our oxygen or anything like that. And it's pretty dang cool. And we've got this to work with only one command block in the world here, checking for this very special turtle helmet. So I'm now going to show you how I actually did this. So if you guys do enjoy this video and you learn something new and you want to support the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated. And make sure that you hit the bell so you're notified of new videos here on the channel. But as I said, we've got this to work with one command block only. So we're using this repeating command block right here, which is always active. And we're basically using one command to target all entities or all players in the world. And if they have one of these special diver's helmets, then it kind of grants them the infinite water breathing effect that basically makes it a very epic diver's helmet in Minecraft. And basically this works even for like any entity in the world, and it can work on multiple players at the same time, provided they have the special helmet in their head slot. So this only works if the helmet is actually in the head slot of the inventory. Now, one main reason I am actually doing this tutorial is because in Minecraft 1.21.5 on the Java edition, which I'm in right now, unfortunately, this is only available for Java edition. In the most recent release of Minecraft, they actually changed how you look at this sort of data for entities, players, and so on. So you used to be able to look at an armor items tag on a player or an entity to kind of query this data, but this has changed and it now uses an equipment tag which has slots for head, chest, legs, and feet. But in this case, we are looking at the head slot of the equipment of the entities we are targeting. So now I'm going to show you what command we're using in this command block right here in a text editor so I can show you it in more detail. Alright everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and I'd urge you to watch this part of the video so you get to understand how this actually works. And I will put this command in the description of the video as well so you can copy and paste, check it out for yourself and all that cool stuff. But first off here, we're using an execute command and we're doing as at E. So we're basically trying to target a wide collection of entities and only do certain things if we detect certain items in the equipment slot. So that is why in the square brackets right here, we are checking the MBT parameter here. And we are checking the equipment data tag, and we are checking the head slot. So within the head slot, we have some item data here. We have the ID, which is turtle_helmet. And we are checking a item of count 1. And then in the components here, we are checking a custom name because we are only checking for diver's helmet as a particular item. So essentially what this means is that as at E with this parameter here means we are only targeting and searching for entities or players that have an equipment slot, the head slot, and the turtle helmet with the name is actually inside of it. And then after that, we have at S. So that basically means for each entity in the search, we want to run a particular command. So we're doing run effect give, and we're doing @s to target each of those entities we find. And we're doing _ water breathing as the effect ID we want to do. We are then doing 10 seconds, 0 amplifier, and then true to hide particle effects around the player, just to kind of make it obviously a lot more swish and you don't have any particles giving away that you're using some kind of command block of some description. But that is basically it. It's actually pretty straightforward once you get your head around the execute command. Hopefully everyone, that has helped you out with sort of checking of equipment slots on entities or players in the game. It's certainly a very useful thing you can do with command blocks in general. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching this tutorial right here. If you want to follow my socials, they are on screen and in the description. If there's any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below and I may do it for a future video. But take care, everyone. Stay happy and healthy as always, and I'll see you in the next video.